In older Audi vehicles, the warning ignition lock defective means that the key receiver in your car can't properly communicate with the key fob. In the vast majority of cases, the fault is intermittent and has no pattern to appear on the dashboard, so it's very hard to locate the culprit. Since Audi cars have a fairly complicated system of immobilizer and key receiver antenna, I would start by replacing the battery in the fob. Even though it's not the keyless start system, the chip inside the fob is still powered by the battery, and in some cases a totally flat battery may cause this. Since this is a $2 or pound fix, I would start with this. Then look carefully at your key fob. You may want to give it a good clean. Sometimes a contaminated fob may lose proper contact with the ignition slot, and this will lead to issues with communication. Also, cleaning the ignition slots may help, and I've seen dozens of cases where cleaning it removed this failure. The hardest task in this case is to identify whether it's the key fob that malfunctions or the key receiver in your car. If you have a spare fob, it would be nice to try it. If the spare fob doesn't work, the problem is in the ignition system and probably the receiver unit will need to be replaced. But if the spare fob works, you will need to have the main key fob repaired or replaced and reprogrammed. Unfortunately, if it's the receiver unit, there is not much you can do on your own, since the part will need to be programmed properly into your car. Otherwise, the immobilizer won't let you start the vehicle. But the good news is that cleaning both the key and the slot usually helps eliminate this problem.